Okay, 2-minute topic today is his or her. So this is a problem I've noticed that my students have here in France, that they often hesitate when they need to say this belongs to the man or this belongs to the woman. They will say his when they should say her and vice versa. I noticed this as well in Azerbaijan, although the reason there is different is because in Azerbaijani you only have O, which means he, and it means she, and it means it. So to show possession, you would just say onun. So it's the same for a man and a woman or a thing. So in Azerbaijani, they just don't have that distinction, so it's difficult for them. In French, when you're saying something belongs to someone, you also have to have that pronoun agree with the thing. And because things have gender in French, you're thinking about what is the thing rather than who does it belong to. So this is something that I've seen a lot with my students. So we're going to look at a few examples today and try to think about which one we should use. Should we use his or should we use her? So, first one, his. The map belongs to him, so it's his map. Now, map is feminine, so someone might want to say it belongs to the man, but then they want to give it a feminine pronoun, but it's not. It's got to be, the person is he, so it's his map. Another example. Who owns the cup? The cup belongs to the woman, so it's her cup. Who owns the tennis ball? The man. It's his tennis ball. I found a spoon. Who owns the spoon? Oh, the woman owns the spoon. It's her spoon. So, hope that helps. That's another 2-minute topic, and I'll be making a few more today, so stay tuned.